Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to create a simple macro in Excel using VBA. Whether you're new to Excel or just looking to automate some tasks, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, we need to enable the Developer tab in Excel. This tab gives us access to the tool we need to create and manage macros. Right? Right click anywhere on the ribbon and select Customize ribbon. In the right pane, check the box next to Developer and click OK. Now that we have the Developer tab enabled, let's open the VBA editor, right? Visual Basic. In the VBA editor, we'll create a new module to write our macro. Go to Insert and Module, or go to the project name and right click, for example this one, and insert module. Now let's write a simple macro that displays a message box, for example hello world. Sub show message, enter, then write message box double quotation hello comma word and close double quotation. This code creates a macro named show message that displays a message box with the text hello world. Finally, let's run our macro to see it in action. Go back to Excel and click on the Developer tab again, then create macro. As you can see here is the macro that we have created. To run the macro, click on Run. And there you have it. You've just created your first macro in Excel using VBA. This is just the beginning of what you can do with macros. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. You can also add a shortcut keyboard macro. Go to option and give it a shortcut, for example Ctrl G. Okay, right, now press Ctrl G. Here is the message hello world. See you in the next video.